We are the keepers of the flame, the sacred order. Let the ceremony begin. And today, faithful acolytes, we take a look at this. And this is something a bit different. I was going to take you through my refrigerator door setup, which longtime readers of the blog will know is kind of where I store everything. And there's 14 different sauces in there, and I've got to use some of these up so I can get to reviewing other stuff for the blog and for, of course, this video series. And I don't like to throw out sauces. So I was skimming around the web, and of course we're all familiar with the Sean Evans Hot Ones, and I thought, you know, that might be something fun to do. I want to do those Hot Ones sauces at some point, but I might also do that format. I might get some unflavored wings and grab for fridge cleaning, just grab 10 sauces and progressively hotter, of course. I'm not going to interview myself unless somebody really wants to see that out there, but that idea, just going up progressively hotter and just doing it in that way. And I came across a post on social media, I think it might have been on Roger from Burn Your Tongue's Facebook, and I'm not on Facebook, by the way, so don't look for me there, but I was looking at his feed, and I think I saw a post from Bill Moore. Now, if you're not familiar with Bill Moore, definitely go check out that guy's channel. I think he's reviewed probably over 2,000 different products of various sauces and snacks and stuff like that. If you are interested in this at all, you need to know that guy. He's another one of the greats, one of the big names as far as the chili head world. So a post he made was talking about a pizza to use up a bunch of different sauces. And he's also mentioned that he likes sweet hot and the fruit-based sauces on his pizza. And I thought, you know, this could be kind of fun. And I tried to do special event videos around the holidays. And the nearest one from where I'm filming this one is Valentine's Day. And I know it's a greeting card holiday and everything, but I thought, well, we have a lot of reddish sauces here, not really red, but the other ones are reddish to, you know, darker red, just varying shades of red, except for, of course, the Tiki bar, which is a brownish. But so I've got this pizza, and the pizza is normally an 8-slice thing. So I thought, you know, this might be really cool to take a look at. So there's some interesting things here. This is a Kroger stone-baked sourdough crust. So it's a hot honey pepperoni pizza with chili flakes. This is interesting to me. Why is this a product of Germany? Interesting. So we've got sourdough crust. Actually, here, let's just read it. Stone oven pizza with sourdough crust, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, so far so good. Uncured pepperoni, of course. Orange marmalade sauce, sure. Pecorino Romano cheese with a hint of honey and chili. And you can see this thing is, in the graphic anyway, covered completely with peppers. Let's open it up and find out the reality of that. And it's got a fair amount here. All right, so not completely loaded with chilies. Naturally, of course, we wouldn't completely expect it to be covered, but you can see it's like pretty covered here. So, all right. So we need to preheat to 425. Let's just do that. All right, so this is preheating, and I think we cook it about 12 minutes or so. So I like to have jalapenos on my pizza. I don't know what you guys like out there. Let me comment, I'd be interested to hear. So we're just gonna, this isn't really gonna add, it is the Mazzetta hot jalapenos, but this is not really going to add heat per se so much as texture and flavor and so on. Okay guys, I think we're gonna roll with this. All right, we're up to temp and we got the pizza stone all ready for this thing. Let's take it on there and we'll throw it in and we'll come back here, set this thing for 12 minutes. All right, and our 12 minutes are up, so let's see. Whoa! A little dose of steam there. All right, and let's take this beauty out. We're gonna let it cool here for a second, and the pizza has had a chance to rest here, so. All right, now I don't like cold sauce on pizza, so I'm just gonna hit it here with a little bit of sauce here. Let's go sauce these up. So this is our first one. This will be sauce number 1. And it is the habanero from Dat'l Do It. This was in the Brewer's Choice unboxing video, which was a joint dual review of both the blog and the video series posted on the same date for the Sauces Only. It's in the Sauces Only playlist. And of course you can go to the blog. Link will be in the description below. Next we have Tiki Bar. Now this is not a sauce I would normally put on pizza. And just throw some on there. This is from the mind of Bill Moore, I guess. And put that there. So we'll have them set out so that you guys can see which sauce is which once we get closer to it. And we have the Silk City Mango Bandits. So back-to-back fruit-based sauces. And so I should go over the rating. So this one I gave a 1. I think it might have been a default 1, but it was a 1. This, I believe I gave a 3. This I gave a 4. This, Pure Death Sauce. So this is our first of the Sauce of the Years. Sauce of the Year 2013, and this one I believe I gave a 6, I want to say. This is an excellent sauce, by the way, on pizza. There we go, get some of that on there. I've had this plenty of times. Got a little runny there. Okay, and we have next Danny Cash's Ghost Rider Ghost Pepper Sauce. And we'll put that here. Some of that on there, okay. And we have the Dread sauce from CaJohn's. Everything that I put on here so far, there is a video support for, as well as a review on the blog. So please feel free to go and check any or all of those out if you are interested. Hellfire hot sauce. Everything on, so far, this is, I believe this one I gave a 7. This one I want to say I also gave a 7. And of course we have First Blood. First Blood on there. Alright, this one I think I also gave a 7. That might have been an 8, I don't actually recall. and the Ultimate Annihilation Sauce of the Year for 2019. And let's throw some of that on too. Now, there's a very good chance, in addition to using some of this up, that this will be one of the hotter lunches that I've had. At least recently, that is. So, all right. Kick us off here with the Habanero. As you might expect, this is super vinegary. I'm trying to use this one up as a Louisiana style sauce, even though it's moderate. They're best in that role. Very messy, very astringent. Next, we're going to go with Tiki Bar Torch. That's really bringing out the tropical notes. Wow. I think old Bill had it on the money there. That's pretty good. Interesting. Silk City Mango Madness up next. Now, I did not get mango out of this at all. Well, I had before. We'll see if I do now. Again, this just tastes tropical. It's probably just the pineapples. I don't like this one. In this setting, anyway. The Tiki Torch was quite good. Alright. So far after 3, 1 was really good, the other 2 not great. Alright, here we go with the Pure Death Sauce of the Year 2013. I've oversauced it quite a bit. One of the problems with doing that is you can get it on your lips and your beard, assuming you have lips and a beard. And that is, I don't like that from any food. Okay. Danny Cash's Ghost Rider. It interacts poorly with pizza. I've had it on pizza a couple times. It's not been good any of those times, including now. Okay. After slice 5, 2 were good. We're not doing very good here. Next up, the Dread Caribbean sauce. This isn't good either. 2 out of 6. We're not doing great so far. I will put up a final tally as well, so you guys can see it on screen, and I'll put the full list in the description below. All right, here's Hellfire. Maybe a touch over sauced. Whew. 7 down, 1 to go. Significant mouth burn right now. Lips also because of the over saucing. Here we go, number 8. So there it is. Valentine's Day sauce. Valentine's Day fridge clearing burn. And I'm getting lit up pretty good. Little eyes watering. Mouth on fire. Nice. Got a little sweat going on. Yeah. Tongue is burning. All the good stuff. I wish I wouldn't have oversauced to the extent, actually. Especially because it's adding elements I don't like, but no. Yes. Surprisingly. No. Yes. No. Definitely no. A little bit less, yes. Also definitely. So there you have it. Fridge clearing Valentine's Day burn. It's been a while since I've been to lunch this hot, I can tell you that. That was a lot of fun though. I enjoyed doing it. Hopefully you guys dug this. If any of you out there decide to attempt this, dial back the sauce a touch. Especially the runnier ones, because it gets on everything. Fortunately, it didn't. It just got on my hands and my lips, but it is. I've got a full burn going on here. Right through the mustache. Right through the beard. Tongue's on fire, mouth's on fire. Sweaty. A little bit of eye watering. So definitely these are ramped up a little bit, but I guess I could have gone for some extract sauces and had a Valentine's Day massacre of my own. But, and who knows, I might make this a regular thing. I might deal with chicken wings next time to try to mimic the hot ones. There's, I think, 11 seasons. So some of the sauces I won't use due to both extract and or onions. So some of the sauces I will never be appearing here or on the blog, but I can substitute them with something of maybe similar heat or something like that doesn't have offensive ingredients in it and do it that way. But that might be a regular quarterly, I don't know, fridge clearing thing. If that's something you're interested in, let me know. It probably will be hot wings next time, just because that might be something I do in future videos, so stay tuned. But there you go. 8 progressively hot sauces, definitely keeping the flame alive. Now go forth in peace to serve the flame.